Welcome to TT's Corner. I want to talk about something I have seen and heard from the internet. Yeah, from social media. I have seen where Desmond McKenzie says that at Petersfield, where the people who was hit from Hurricane Melissa, where they are using the school as a shelter, and he decided that he was gonna fix a makeshift thing behind the school so they could take the people out. I think Desmond McKenzie needs to let these people go and find somewhere else on their own. They should leave. And I am sorry. I know some people may say I am selfish, but no, I am not. Because the school was being used as a shelter, and they abuse that school. They stole computers, they stole money, and then I heard, because Desmond Mackenzie spoke about the computers, but there was other things that I'm told was done to the school that Mr. Mackenzie did not let the public know. And if what I'm hearing is really true, these people need to leave, and they are disgusting. Not only, as I was told, not only did they steal the computers and everything, they defecated in teachers' desk and all over the compound. Also, they said all over the compound, in classrooms and all over, is filled with used condoms and all these things. These people are running a brothel. These are disgusting people. And it's a school. The kids need to get their education, and this is the way you're treating somewhere that that people are trying to assist you with. So you have a shelter, you have a roof over your head, and this is what you're doing. And then that disgusting lady was there cursing. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Desmond McKenzie, for the love of God, you don't need to fix nothing around the back or anything. These people need to go. Why are you making accommodation for them? They are disgusting. If what I am hearing is correct, you need to let these people leave ASAP. How the heck you can go and do all these things? Really? Imagine you not only go there and steal, you go in classrooms, on the floor, and even inside of drawers, and pee and defecate. What kind of animals are these? No, man, People, if this story that I heard is true, come on, people, you got to agree with me. If it's true, they need to go. These people are disgusting. And what kind of parents are you? Oh my God, what kind of example you send? Because I know kids are there, and for feces all over the place, pee all over the place, and all sort of used condoms. This is like a sex shop, for crying out loud. No, man. Other people need to do better. Need to do better. Disgusting. On a sick, drunk stomach if it's really something of it true. Gosh. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. I really would like to know what you guys think if you agree with me. Thank you, and God bless.